we're checking out the Naby Dream tab, and it's very cool. So let's check it out. Let's just whoops, let's just go home. And today we're going to Minecraft. Nice with those doors. Let's see who she is. She is Alex because let's just get rid of that. Now let's just go and group day. Yes, so we will have to make it day. So let's just press play to make it day. Okay, so we're gonna press that. Always day. Now we're gonna go back. Now we are here. The best game ever. So why are we checking out this? Why are we checking out this? Game again? Well, it's kind of cool because we're going to do a layout or something. And this is one that some people might like. We're gonna try and build a nest. So what you're gonna need is stick everything in inventory. Get some oak leaves. I am really bad at cameraing things because I'm cameraing things on a tablet. But there are no comments. And I hope I get one from DanTDM, the Diamond Minecart. And then you're gonna need some wood. You're gonna need some oak wood. And you might be wondering, why are we using oak wood? So this is all you'll need, but you might need some other things too. I like to actually put my mind into it. So we're building a bird's nest. You need lots of wood. And I'll see you guys in a second after I place all the wood down. I know I said I do very bad cameraing, and I am doing it very badly. So guys, here it is. Your very own nest. And all you need is to put a bed into it. there you go. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was short, guys, but see you next time. Subscribe. Oh, and in the description, no description.